These custom new 2025 Alfa Romeos are going to make you jealous because you will not be able to get your hands on them. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video where Gargash Motors, who is one of the UAE's leading luxury car distributors and the Alfa Romeo representative, has introduced the Bespoke Edizione program. Now, let's talk about this because it's being debuted with the Quadrifoglio Super Sport, the exclusive limited edition series celebrating Alfa Romeo's legendary motorsport heritage. And we've had the Quadrifoglio in the Stelvio and Giulia variant on the channel as the final models on the Giorgio platform to get that fire-breathing twin-turbo V6 that we know and love. Now, with that said, this Edizione program is an advanced customization service that allows Alfa Romeo enthusiasts to create a tailor-made vehicle with premium personalized touches. Now, the unveiling event was a landmark moment for the automotive collectors and Alfisti all over the world. Gargash Motors showcased the Giulia and Stelvio Quadrifoglio Supersport Bespoke Edizione, a seamless blend of the high-performance engineering and personalized craftsmanship. Now, adding to that excitement, guests witnessed the reveal of one-of-a-kind Bespoke Edizione models that include the Giulia Competizione, Tonale Veloce, and the Stelvio Quadrifoglio 100th Anniversary Edition, each designed with exclusive enhancements. Now, the general manager at Gargash Motors emphasized that the company's vision for bringing world-class automotive experience to the UAE is as follows, in quotations, "The Quadrifoglio Supersport Bespoke Edizione embodies Alfa Romeo's rich motorsport legacy while catering to the UAE's appreciation for high-performance vehicles. With the Bespoke Edizione program, we are taking personalization to new heights, offering customers the chance to truly own one-of-a-kind vehicles that reflect their individuality. More than just a car, this edition is a statement of passion, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge engineering." Now, at the heart of the Quadrifoglio Supersport is that 2.9-liter V6 producing 510 horsepower over there in the UAE, 505 here in the United States. Now, that is ensuring best-in-class agility, optimal weight balance, and razor-sharp handling. Now, in a first for Alfa Romeo, Quadrifoglio emblem had now shown a black background symbolizing the brand's relentless pursuit of performance excellence. Now, the limited edition is available in Rosso Etna, Volcano Black, and Alpha White, complemented by carbon fiber accents on the mirrors, grille, and roof, as well as black alloy wheels, black calipers, and carbon ceramic brakes for enhanced stopping power. Inside, the sporty aesthetic continues with the red exposed carbon fiber details and contrasted red stitching, adding a dynamic touch to the luxurious interior. But if you want the Super Sport Bespoke Edizione, well, that offers enhanced performance and customizations featuring titanium Akrapovic exhaust, which is plus 10 horsepower boost, GTA-M OEM rear spoiler for improved aerodynamics, carbon fiber diffuser and hood vents with the striking green stripes, bespoke two-tone wheels with green painted calipers, and Bespoke Edizione 1-of-1 badge signifying unparalleled exclusivity. Now, the Bespoke Edizione program, well, that is something else when it comes to Alfa Romeo owners to personalize their vehicles with a range of high modifications, including exterior carbon fiber elements and unique paint finishes, premium leather interiors with customized stitching and trims, and high-performance exhaust systems and aerodynamic upgrades. Now, the tailor-made service extends all across Alfa Romeo models, including the Tonale, Giulia, and Stelvio. Now, additional bespoke options are available upon request, and each model comes with a 7-year warranty and a 5-year service package, ensuring long-term peace of mind for owners. So with that said, what do you guys think about these very custom-looking Alfa Romeos and a Super Sport with a GTA-M wing from OEM? That is crazy to see. I want to know, do you guys like these customizations? Do you think that they should be customized like this? Or do you think you shouldn't touch perfection when it comes to these Alfa Romeo models? I want to know what you guys think. Drop your comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But make sure you guys check the links down in the description below if you want to help further support the channel. I appreciate the extra love you guys show. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.